The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus is a feature-packed smartphone designed to deliver an exceptional user experience, particularly for those seeking performance and versatility. With its 6.7-inch AMOLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate, users can enjoy smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and an immersive viewing experience whether for gaming, media consumption, or day-to-day use. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus offers robust performance, handling multitasking, demanding apps, and gaming without lag. It is equipped with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, giving users plenty of space for apps, photos, videos, and large files, while also ensuring smooth transitions between tasks. For photography enthusiasts, the Note 50 Pro Plus doesn't disappoint. Its triple camera system includes an impressive 200MP main sensor, capable of capturing highly detailed and sharp images in various lighting conditions, while an 8MP ultra-wide lens allows for stunning wide-angle shots. Additionally, a 2MP depth sensor adds depth to portraits and creative shots, providing users with more photographic flexibility. On the front, the smartphone features a high-quality selfie camera to capture crisp and clear self-portraits. The device is equipped with a 4,600 mAh battery that supports 120W wired charging, enabling quick recharges in a short amount of time, perfect for users on the go. It is also expected to run on the latest Android OS with Infinix's custom XOS skin, offering a clean, responsive interface along with additional customization options. With its powerful features, cutting-edge camera setup, and rapid charging capabilities, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus positions itself as a strong competitor in the mid to high-range smartphone market. Expected to launch on May 22, 2025, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus is bound to attract users looking for a well-rounded, performance-driven smartphone at a competitive price point.